The reason that we're chatting today with Ravi is that KPIT and Birlasoft are looking to merge and then split into two publicly traded companies. So let's understand why this is happening. Ravi, hi, good morning. Just help us understand the rationale behind this merger.
So, if you look at the current business of KPIT Technologies, we are in two different buckets. We work in business IT and we work in automotive technologies. We believe that if we segregate the two businesses, there will be sharper focus on each of the businesses and both businesses will grow. That is really the rationale behind this merger and demerger.
And then what happens? We understand that the companies are then going to be split into two publicly traded companies as well eventually. Just walk us through the entire procedure.
Yeah. So let me explain the whole process. First is that the two companies will merge. Birlasoft is focused on business IT, and the two companies will merge. And when they demerge, there will be one company which will be 100% on business IT, and there will be another company which will be 100% on automotive, embedded software engineering, etc. The automotive software company will continue to have the name of KPIT Technologies, and the business IT company will use the name of Birlasoft. This whole process, through its legal part, will take about a year or so. So in the intervening period, KPIT Technologies will work in its own name and Birlasoft will work in their own name.
What is the growth of the projected businesses which you would be splitting? I know the aggregate growth which you have, but what about these businesses separately?
Yes. So we believe that each of these businesses will do more growth than what they are doing today. KPIT's engineering business should be growing between 15 to 20%, is what our anticipation is, with better profitability. Birlasoft IT business is a good growth and good profitability business. So and if you see, business IT of KPIT has also picked up. So we believe that both the businesses should do well, both on profitability as well as on growth, because of the more sharp focus that we will get on each of these two areas.
To put it very simple, are you splitting your IT services business into two, where the new business is being carved out and the old business has been carved out? So for an investor now, they get option to choose. If they want to align with your new business, they can buy the engineering business. If they like your IT services businesses, they can buy the other company, because frankly that has been the challenge for IT companies. New business is growing, old business is slowing down, and the aggregate picture has not been great.
Yes. So the issue is this. All our shareholders will own a share of both, and both the companies will be listed. So to begin with, everyone who has a share in KPIT and everyone who has a share in Birlasoft will have shares of the merged entity. When it splits, they will have a share of each of the entity. There is no exchange ratio between the two. It is almost like giving a bonus share, which will become ultimately the KPIT Technologies engineering business. The work that we are doing in IT has a significant growing portion now in digital technologies. So we believe that the digital technology part would work well. As far as KPIT Technologies engineering business is concerned, it has always been a good growth business, which I'm sure it will continue to be. So our anticipation is that looking at the composition of both the IT as well as the engineering business, we should see decent growth in both.
What would be the size of both the entities once you separate them out? How do you value the two businesses right now and their performance?
So the IT business would be about $500 million business, and the engineering business in the first year of its operation should be around $250 million or so. So if you were to look at the engineering business focused exclusively on automotive, we don't do anything other than automotive, and moreover, we don't do much of mechanical. So in the auto business, where we do automotive engineering essentially for embedded software, I believe that we would be the largest in that area and a significant player globally. As far as the IT business is concerned, we would be a focused business on digital enterprises, because Birlasoft does a lot of work on digital. As you would notice in KPIT, the digital part of our business has been growing reasonably well over the last 4 quarters, we should get a big boost to that with the coming in of Birlasoft.
All right, Mr. Pandit, we wish you the very best. Thanks very much for joining us and giving us those details on this proposed merger and then supposed split and relisting of the IT business as well as the automotive engineering business.